In this video, we will start to explore how you can calculate the weighted average in Excel. And this is extremely important because the average and the weighted average calculation is completely different and will give you complete different numbers. So let's look at our situation here. First of all, we have here our table with information where you can see our products we're selling in our cafe, and we have the sales amount for this week and the price per product. And this is the revenue in total so far. And what we want to do is we want to calculate how much is the average expenditure on a product, on all these products together on average. So how would we do that? Well, you might say, well, we can just calculate these average and then we get the number. Well, let's try that. So we're going to do that right now. We type in average equal average, then open parentheses, and then we select the selling price of our products with one very high price. And I did this on purpose to show you why this will not work correctly or why the data will be different. So once we do that, we type in enter, and you can see now, according to this, the average price people would spend on a drink would be $15.38, which of course is very high and most likely not the case. Why? Because we only sell 3 items of $100, while all the other items are far cheaper. So how can we do this? To calculate this, we need to know how much products are being sold, yes, in total, and we need to know what's the total revenue. And that together we have to divide, and then you get what we call the weighted average. Alright? So let's start and calculate them together. We do that with the sum function. We type in sum, open parentheses, select the values, close the parentheses, and enter. So you can see the total revenue amount is $526. So let's explore how much products has been sold or how many drinks has been sold. So we type in here again sum, open parentheses, select all the values, close parentheses, enter. And we can see in total of 72 items has been sold. So what would be the weighted average? In our case, it will be this, equals this amount, which is the $526, divided by 72 drinks that has been sold. Enter, and you can see the average, the real average expenditure is approximately $7.03. So how can we do this easier? Because you might say, well, this is quite hard, we have to do so much work. Well, no worries. Let's start and calculate the weighted average with a function. So we have a special function called the sum product function. And the sum product function basically does this. It will calculate, or it will multiply the amount of sold by selling price to get the total amount of these, because this could be removed. So let me show you this one. So we select all of the items that's been sold, comma, the matching price, enter, and now we get the matching total revenue. So we're not done yet, and then what we have to do is we have to divide this by the sum of this, the total sold products. Enter, and there you are. There you get the weighted average. On average, customers spend $7 on a product. And this is how you do it. And if you would remove this, you can see now the formula still maintains. Why? Because we just use the formula on this, and Excel knows exactly what to do and how to calculate this. And this will save you a lot of space in your Excel templates. So if you like tips like this and want to learn more about Excel, click the subscribe button. And if you have any questions regarding to this or something else, post them down below in the comment section.